Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to our channel. We're diving into the world of Chinese cuisine. Our spotlight is on the beloved dish known as Chinese steamed fish. Get ready to uncover some lesser-known facts about this iconic and healthy delicacy. Chinese steamed fish is a classic dish that showcases the artistry and simplicity of Chinese cooking. But did you know that there's more to this dish than meets the eye? Let's explore the intriguing secrets of Chinese steamed fish together. Fact 1. Steamed fish has a long history in Chinese culinary culture, dating back thousands of years. It's considered a symbol of prosperity and abundance and is often served during festive occasions and family gatherings. This dish carries cultural significance, reflecting the Chinese values of togetherness and celebration. Fact 2. The choice of fish is crucial in Chinese steamed fish. In traditional Chinese cuisine, whole fish is preferred, symbolizing unity and completeness. Popular fish choices include sea bass, tilapia, and red snapper. The freshness and quality of the fish play a vital role in achieving the perfect texture and taste in this dish. Fact 3. The steaming technique used in Chinese steamed fish preserves the natural flavors and nutrients of the fish. It's a delicate cooking method that requires precise timing and heat control to ensure the fish is tender and moist. Steaming allows the fish to retain its natural sweetness and delicate texture, resulting in a light and healthy dish that's full of flavor. Fact 4. Chinese steamed fish is often paired with a variety of complementary ingredients, such as ginger, scallions, soy sauce, and Shaoxing wine. These ingredients infuse the fish with aromatic flavors and add depth to the dish. The harmony of flavors achieved through these carefully selected ingredients elevates the taste profile of Chinese steamed fish. There you have it, some of the most unknown facts about Chinese steamed fish. From its cultural significance to the precise cooking techniques involved, this dish is a testament to the artistry of Chinese cuisine. If you haven't tried it yet, I highly recommend experiencing the delicate flavors and health benefits of Chinese steamed fish. Your taste buds and your body will thank you. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting culinary explorations. Until next time, happy cooking and savoring delicious dishes.